Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your new Optus modem. First, carefully unbox your modem and ensure all components are present. You should find the modem itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and possibly a phone cable. Having your Optus account details handy will make the activation process much smoother. Let's get started with the physical connections. Now, let's make the essential connections. First, plug the power adapter into your modem and then into a wall power outlet. Next, connect your internet line, whether it's a DSL or NBN cable, into the designated port on the back of your modem. Finally, for initial setup, connect your computer to one of the modem's yellow LAN ports using an Ethernet cable. With the physical connections made, it's time for configuration. Open a web browser on your connected computer and type in the modem's default IP address, usually found on a sticker on the modem itself. Enter the default username and password. Then, simply follow the on-screen prompts to set up your internet connection and personalize your Wi-Fi network name and password. Finally, let's test your new setup. Open a few different websites to ensure your internet connection is working correctly. Observe the indicator lights on your modem. They should show a stable connection. If you encounter any persistent issues, don't hesitate to consult the Optus support website or contact their customer service for further assistance. Enjoy your new internet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.